Hello everyone! Welcome to Decor Tricks channel. A modern kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's the heart of the home. With the right design, it becomes a space that feels open, functional, and effortlessly stylish. Modern kitchens focus on blending beauty with practicality, offering clean lines, smart storage, and innovative materials that make everyday tasks easier. Whether it's a sleek minimalist look or a warm, inviting space, the right design choices can transform any kitchen into a perfect balance of style and efficiency. Whether you're planning a full remodel or just looking for small upgrades, these fresh ideas will help create a kitchen that stands out while staying practical. Kitchens are no longer confined spaces, they seamlessly blend with dining and living areas, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. An open concept layout makes the kitchen feel larger, improves natural light flow, and encourages interaction. It's perfect for entertaining, allowing people to cook, dine, and socialize without feeling disconnected. A spacious island or a sleek breakfast bar can define the kitchen zone while maintaining an airy feel. Whether in a small apartment or a large home, an open layout enhances both functionality and aesthetics, making the kitchen the true centerpiece of the home. Clean lines and clutter-free surfaces define modern kitchens, and handleless cabinets play a big role in achieving that look. These cabinets offer a smooth, seamless appearance, making the space feel more open and sophisticated. Push-to-open mechanisms and integrated handles keep the design minimal while maintaining ease of use. Matte finishes add a soft, contemporary touch, while high-gloss surfaces create a sleek, reflective effect that enhances natural light. Wood textures, metallic accents, and neutral tones bring warmth and balance to the space, proving that simplicity can still be stylish and functional. A well-organized kitchen makes cooking and meal prep effortless, and smart storage solutions are the key to keeping everything in place. Deep drawers with built-in dividers provide easy access to cookware, while pull-out pantry shelves maximize every inch of space. Vertical storage, like tall cabinets and open shelving, helps declutter countertops while keeping essentials within reach. Hidden compartments, corner carousels, and under-cabinet organizers ensure that even the smallest spaces are used efficiently. With a combination of functionality and design, these storage ideas create a kitchen that looks tidy and works seamlessly for everyday life. The right countertops and backsplash can truly elevate a modern kitchen, making it not just functional but a visual statement. Materials like quartz, marble, and textured stone bring both durability and luxury to the space. Large format countertops offer a sleek, continuous surface that's perfect for meal prep, while intricate patterns in natural stone or concrete can add a touch of artistry to the design. When it comes to backsplashes, they've become more than just a protective feature, they're an opportunity to get creative. From bold geometric patterns to subtle glass or subway tiles, a statement backsplash can tie the entire look together. Whether you opt for a splash of color or a timeless neutral, these design elements blend beauty with practicality, creating a space that's both stylish and highly functional. A modern kitchen is all about striking the perfect balance between style, functionality, and innovation. From open layouts that enhance the flow of your home to sleek, handleless cabinetry that creates a clean and sophisticated look, these design ideas offer endless possibilities. Whether you're maximizing storage with smart solutions or adding personality with statement countertops and backsplashes, each detail contributes to a space that's both beautiful and practical. With a little inspiration and the right design choices, you can create a kitchen that's not only a joy to cook in but also a stunning focal point of your home. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more design ideas and inspiration.